for a very long time. I've been desiring a coffee maker in my office where I work. I just wanted something small, and I've been looking around what would actually suit my taste. I wanted a particular color, and I'm so excited I have it now. Welcome to the Ellen Hub channel. My name is Dr. Sarah Chidiprejo, and today I would like to show you this is the Philips 747 coffee maker. It is gorgeous. So I'm doing my unboxing video today, and I'm so excited. Just watch this. Okay, so we begin. Come on. I'm so excited about this. I think everybody who knows me now knows I've been craving coffee maker in the office. Not that I'm a big coffee drinker, I just love the idea of having one, So it comes with this protection, and I love the way it is packed. As in everything you can see inside. I mean, nothing can go wrong here, right? So I'm going to start. This is it. So this is the card. It comes in white, and as you can see over here, this is white. I think it also comes in black, but this is white. See, this is it. Let me put this away. So you have the guide here in many languages. I speak English, so I'll just go back to the English section. But I think it comes in black as well. But this is the white. I mean, I love the fact that it is small. I love the fact that, it's so portable. If I have to do like a little trip, I can just straight into the car and I'll be on my merry. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it open. So it's going to open here. So this is the coffee collector, very small, white as well, which I love. And then you have the filter, and this filter is quite big. This is so good. This is so good. And you have this other one as well, where it all goes into. And then you can just, I love the fact that it comes in plastic. It means that I can wash this really quickly and replace. Okay, so I'll put on the place back. And I think this is where you pour the water into. See, yeah, you pour the water in there. And then this itself is the jug. And it comes, well protected, of course. Good work. Ta-da! This is a jug where it all gets into. So you open, and it's very easy to pour. I really love this. Okay, I'm going to try it today. I'm going to test for functionality, and I'll come share my thoughts on this product. But I've seen a couple of reviews on YouTube already, so you can go look them up. But I'll come back to share my thoughts with you on how I'm loving this. This is a gorgeous, very portable, very simple looking. I love it. And this comes in glass, by the way, but this is plastic. And then there's a firm hold. I love the way it goes. So you can flip this way. This is really good. I love it. All right. Thank you so much for watching this. This is my unboxing of my Philips coffee maker. Remember, this brand is 7447. If you desire one, well, maybe you should listen to my review before you get it. But I love this. Thank you so much.